Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video we are doing something totally different because I really wanted to come out here and dedicate a video to Beauty Big Bang's Nano glass files. Now if you saw my video from a couple of days ago how excited I got about how effective these little files were. One of the things that I jumped into doing was doing my husband's nails. So here they are. This is right out. I mean, he's sitting on the couch. I'm like, honey, give me your hands. And I am buffing away. No preparation of cuticle pushing or anything like that. So here are his nails. After I buffed his nails with the Nano file. And this is from a couple of days ago. And they are still looking like this today. It's funny because he says he keeps seeing his nails and sees how shiny they are and gives him the impression they are wet or have some kind of oil in them, and he wants to keep wanting to wipe them off. Now I got him to agree to let me to be my hand model because I wanted to do a Manlycure on him. This is one that we will be doing without any product whatsoever other than the cleanup that I did for him of his cuticles. So to start out with, I will let you know that I started by having him soak his hands in warm water for a couple of minutes just to soften up the cuticles. And I did use the Sally Hansen cuticle remover on him. I pushed back the cuticles as gentle as I could, thinking that I had in my hand baby hands. And then the rest we did when he dried up his hands, washed his hands, dried them up, and do a little bit more pushing back of the cuticles. So yeah, his nails are not so horrible. What the challenge part of his nails were the ridges. They're very rigidy. And I wasn't even sure how effective this was going to be on those rigidy nails. But we managed to get some shine from the raised part of the ridges, of course. The ones that go down, we can even touch them with this file. Nonetheless, we still got some shine out of them. Oh, and yes, I did shave his nails a little bit nicely because all he does is clips them, and so they're just kind of jaggedy and not shaved at all. So I did do that. But I wanted to show you guys how effective this little file is. This is perfect. The other two I actually already gave them away to a couple of friends that they like getting their nails done. I actually do their nails, but in between manicures, this is something nice. If your nails are naked or you carry your nails naked, it's nice to keep them shiny with this. Oh, and by the way, I don't do a good job at showing my own nails here, but I was actually surprised that after even my own nails, after having shined them with this file and polish them, use nail polish and remove the nail polish and everything for the next manicure, my nails are still naturally shiny from using this file. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how well this works. Again, I'm very impressed, and I will tell you guys, so I went in and I was being very curious about what it is that makes this file work so well. In a conversation that I had with my hubby, he said, look up wet sanding. Wet sanding. I was like, what is wet sanding? So yeah, let me leave you with a little blurb here that I'm going to pop up on during this video of what wet sanding is. Something that has to do with the painting of cars and the process that they do to get them shiny as the glass. So yeah, he knew what that term was, and that's what he compared it to when I was using this file on him. So I think this is a great way to give them a Manlycure with the use of any product that might make them feel intimidated or anything like that. As a matter of fact, I'll just call it wet sanding. How about, honey, let's just wet sand your nails, and that will probably make them feel better about it. I am going to leave you with some before and after pictures at the end. Remember guys that you can use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount on this file or any other product from Beauty Big Bang. I will have the link to this and my code down in the description bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.